Mary, I wonder if you've noticed that Troop 10 may have a real shrinkage problem.
You mean our boy membership?
Uh-huh. It's been dropping for the last year or two, and if it keeps up, pretty soon we won't have a unit. What do you think's the problem?
Well, for the last year or so, Jim, we've had mostly older boys in the unit, and that's intimidated younger ones, kept them from joining. So, with the older boys graduating, we've just about run out of replacements.
I know that worries you as much as it does me, Mary, but do you think there might be other problems?
Like what?
Like actively recruiting new boys. Is there something the troop could do in recruiting that it hasn't done?
To be honest, yes. We haven't been as aggressive as we could be, as we should be. It's not a lack of confidence on my part, Jim. It's a lack of help. Until I get a more supportive committee and an assistant troop leader, I've got as much on my plate as I can handle.
Steady flow of new young members is the lifeblood of every unit. To make sure the flow continues, you have to do several things. Watch your unit's membership closely. And when you spot a unit with no new members, get together with the unit's adults. Put your heads together and figure out why the boys are not joining or why they're quitting. Sometimes it's something obvious, like not having a year-round recruiting program to keep the unit at full strength. Or they're not making a concerted effort to recruit new members in each age group. Then there's the magnet that draws youth into scouting. By magnet, I mean the quality of the program and the interest level of the activities. One thing we do know from experience, when the unit is offering exciting and challenging activities, youth will join. So why don't you develop a top 10 list of ways to recruit new youth members? Share it with all your units. Then follow up on the list. One other thing you might do, convince the unit to add more adults. Now, what that does is increase your membership potential.